Hey, welcome back to your Caribou Data Science channel. This is Stock Market Analysis 1, 1.0. We're going to do some little interest. We're going to be using Google Sheets and Tabula to begin to create a very simple stock market analysis. We'll probably wind up doing things like moving averages. We'll also try to create some candle charts. Okay. First thing we're going to do, we have to get our data. We have one tab for each of our stock ticker symbols. And the actual function that calls the ticker symbol, the stock data, is a Google Finance. Okay. And I'll include a link in the description below to the actual page where this is described. Stock exchange and stock symbol. We're pulling all the statistics, and we're going back 365 days, and we're ending today. Okay. So we're basically getting a year's worth of data. Ticker symbol was added by me, date, open, high, low, close, and volume. Now, the idea is to use the Google Sheets, okay, and automatically pull the data in. Tabula. We're going to start with some very simple plots, okay? Google Sheets. Stock analysis. So what we're going to try to do here, we're going to come over here with Facebook up here, and we're going to try to use a union to combine all these sheets into a single sheet, okay? Because if we can do that, then this should update. It should also update for every time we start the sheet. So let's try this. Looking for a union. Hmm. Google. Okay, so let's come over to our first sheet. Let's put the date on the columns, right? Let's go and put the closing price down here. We're going to change this today. Okay. Now what you see here, this is all the combinations here, right? So what we want to do is, we could do a couple things. We can put table name up here. And we could put show filter. Let's get rid of these. Let's take a look at Facebook. Okay, we can do this also. We can put table name. That's kind of nice. Okay. Okay. Let's insert this. Okay. So we could come here. Copy this. Okay. Now we got okay. You know, so we did closing price. Okay. Let's do one more for right now. Let's do let's do this. Let's just duplicate this. Come up here. And let's do volume. And we're looking at daily, looking at dimensions. So we created a very simple plot here. So, so we got three charts. Facebook, high price, closing price. Okay. And we did daily volume. Okay. So what should happen is every time we fire this up, uh, we should get, it should update. Let's just come back over here. And what we did over here now, remember what we did over here was we merged the union function. Think of that as an append function, because a union function uh, appends a table or data, or what you would call this object here, a table, onto the end of another one. So the main one's Facebook. Then we appended Ford, Google, and IBM onto the end. Okay, essentially giving us a pivot table. So very simple to use. Let's come back over here. Let's just take a quick look at our our table for stock analysis. And here you can see, here's the formula we're using, Google Finance formula, stock exchange symbol, all the values. And we're going back 365 days from today. Okay. 4 different stocks. All right, and this should update every time we open, I would imagine. Okay, so there's that. Here's the thing. There'll be a link. There'll be a link to this spreadsheet in the description below. Let's do one more sheet. And let's put text in there. Over here. Okay. We could, yeah, I mean, we could of course start with a with a with the we could start making dashboards right here. But what do we want to add some moving averages and a candle chart. So this ends part one of the video for how to create stock analysis dashboards using Google Sheets and Tableua.